Hey everybody, this is Travis with ATTY. I'm going to show you today how to install the ADV kit to the UForce T1 tank by Vape. As you can see though, I've done broke the bubble glass that comes with the device. Just basically taking it off the device, it broke. So let's pretend that it's installed, and I've already also removed the O-rings. So basically what you'll need to do to install this kit is remove both top O-rings, remove the bottom L-shaped gasket, and you'll do this by turning each end counterclockwise until the two ends separate from the glass piece, which is basically the same way you would take apart the device to change the coil. To remove the original O-rings, you could use a pair of tweezers or just something to get up under the O-ring and pop it right off. For the ADV kit, you'll just be using one top O-ring, and that'll go in the top slot. This O-ring will be a different size than the original, so you'll definitely need to change out the O-rings. And the bottom L-shaped gasket will just fit right into the slot where the original gasket was. Now I'm going to move on to the expansion rings. You'll see that one side of our expansion rings has an indentation. This indentation will fit over the gaskets you just installed. And the other side of our stainless steel expansion rings will have an L-shaped gasket pre-installed. This is a much larger gasket which will fit our 33mm quartz glass piece. So now you'll slide each end of the UForce T1 into the indented side of our stainless steel expansion rings. Once each end is seated into the stainless steel rings, you can then put the glass piece in between them and then thread the chimney to the coil by twisting clockwise. At this point, you're ready to fill up your tank some and test out the expansion kit. The next thing I want to show you is how to install our custom color O-rings. As I mentioned before, the black ones will be pre-installed with your kit. If you purchase our custom color gaskets, you'll receive a package of gaskets in the color you choose. To remove the original black O-rings, you can use a pair of tweezers or simply just put something up under the gasket to pop it right off. And then you'll just seat the colored gaskets right where the black ones were. After the new color gaskets are seated, you can then thread the chimney to the coil again, and you're ready to go. Thanks everybody for supporting us. I really appreciate it. The color gaskets, the ADV kits, all this wouldn't be possible without you guys. Leave a like and a comment, and be sure to subscribe if you want to hear more updates about our projects. Thank you very much, and have a great day.